In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook notifications not showing preview. If your email pop-ups are appearing without any message preview or not popping up at all, we'll walk through the key settings that control this in both the classic desktop Outlook and the new Outlook or web version. I'll also cover a quick Windows setting that can silently block alerts and a simple way to clear up glitches. Let's start with the classic Outlook app on Windows. Open Outlook and head to File, then Options, then Mail. In the Mail section, look for the Message Arrival area. Here, make sure Display a Desktop Alert is checked. This setting controls the small toast notification that slides in near the taskbar with the sender, subject, and a short preview of the message. If this box isn't selected, Outlook won't show the preview pop-up even if everything else is set correctly. After checking it, select OK to save. Now, if you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, the controls live inside Outlook's own settings. Click the gear icon to open settings, then go to General and then Notifications. Ensure that email notifications are turned on, and specifically that the option to show previews is enabled. This tells Outlook to include a snippet of the email in the banner instead of just a generic alert. If you're on the web, be aware that the browser uses the operating system's notification center to display these banners, so having previews on here is essential for seeing useful content at a glance. Next, check your Windows Focus settings, because they can override app notifications. If Windows is in Do Not Disturb or using Focus Assist, pop-ups can be suppressed entirely or limited. Open your notification center and look for any Do Not Disturb or Focus Assist indicators and turn them off. If you rely on scheduled quiet hours, you can keep those, but make sure they're not active when you expect previews to appear. Finally, give Outlook a quick refresh. Close and reopen the app to apply changes cleanly. It's also a good idea to check for updates since notification bugs are often fixed in recent builds. Keeping Outlook current helps ensure the notification system and preview behavior work as designed. After these adjustments, your Outlook notifications should once again appear with message previews, helping you triage emails without breaking your flow. If you switch between Classic and New Outlook, remember the settings are managed separately, so repeat the steps in whichever version you're using. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets your previews back on track.